Welcome to day 19 of Vim Tip of the Day. Today, I wanted to show you how to do simple searches using regular expressions. So let's start with something simple. So in regular expressions, the beginning of the line is this caret character, and this is usually above the number 6 on your keyboard. So if you say, I want to search for a pattern where it starts with the word include. So on the bottom, you can see I do slash caret include. So that only finds lines where include is in the beginning. So here, line number 19, that is found. Anything here in 15 and 16, they're not found. Even if I try to find it again, it's only line number 19. The second character is the $sign character, and that matches the end of a line. So if you search for was $sign, it doesn't find this one on line 21, it finds the one on 24 because the $sign means the end of the line. Okay, let's try this as another example. So if you search for the THE and the $sign, that finds the next line which has the word the at the end. And if you say N to find the next one, that finds the again, and it skips all these other THEs. Okay, let's try another example. I want to search for slash beginning, which is the caret sign THE, that finds line number 38. Hit N, that finds 45. So that's a pretty interesting way and pretty powerful way to search for words using regular expressions. Another regular expression that I often use is the dot character, which matches any character. So if you search for C period M, that matches C period M, and it also matches computer, which because the O matches the dots. If you hit N here, matches became, CA matches C period, and then if you hit N again, it also matches cumin. CU also matches C period. If you want to only search for words that end in the actual period, you have to put a backslash in front of it. So type slash TER backslash period, and that searches for any word that end in a period. Okay, I hope that was helpful and hope that was useful. Thank you.